Now, hello. Today we experiment is design integrated circuit using op-amp, that is 741. See integrated circuit using op-amp, that is IC 741. So first of all, we design the circuit. This is op-amp. One resistor is connected. This is V in. Pin number 2. Pin number 3 for ground. Pin number 6 is output, P out. Capacitor, non-polarized. And most important, that is pin number 4 and pin number 7. Pin number 4 is connected to minus 12 volt, pin number 7 is connected to plus 12 volt. This is very important. If you connected anti-clockwise, that is pin number 7 is connected to pin number 12 minus 12 and 4 is connected to plus 12, then IC will be burned. So be very careful when you design this circuit. The value of resistor is 1 kilo ohm and capacitor is 0.01 microfarad. You can call it 103. How can you calculate 103? 103 means 10 into 10 to the power 3 picofarad. If we convert it to microfarad, that means 10 to the 4 by 10 to the 6 will be divided from pico to microfarad. So value is 0.01 microfarad. So 103 is called 0.01 microfarad. And next 1 kilo ohm resistor, you know the color code, that is 1 0 0 0. 1 for ground, second digit 0, that means black, and this is 10 to the power 2. 2 means red. So color code is brown, black and red. This is 1. And 4th band also tolerance, that is invisible. Then V. In integrator we get output triangle when if we give input square pulse. So basically integrator circuit is used to convert square pulse to triangle pulse. Let's check in the kit. So now this is the kit. This is called function generator. There are various type of function waveform. This you can see it goes. This is sinusoidal. If we place waveform, this is square pulse, this is triangle. We have to give square pulse. So now it is square pulse. The value is 1 kilohertz. If you shift and then press V, then value is 0.18 volt. And this is called CRO. This is channel 1 and channel 2. So 2 channel basically in this CRO. Intensity, this focus, this voltage knob for channel 1, voltage knob for channel 2, and this is time per division knob for both channel. This is position for x-axis, position for y-axis. Okay. Now this is the circuit. This is 741 IC. As you know, the circuit, indicator circuit, if we compare it, first V in, that is from here, from function generator, V in. It is connected to 1 kilo ohm resistor. This is 1 kilo ohm resistor, as you see. This is the input, this wire. Next, 1 kilo ohm resistor is connected to pin number 2 in op amp. 1 kilo ohm resistor connected to pin number 2. Next, pin number 3 is ground. This is ground. You can see G and D ground. This is connected to pin number 3. Next, pin number 7 is connected to plus 12 volt. Pin number 4, it is connected to this one. It is connected to minus 12 volt. Capacitor 2 and 6 shorted by capacitor 0.01 microfarad, 103. This one 2 and 6 shorted. So now check the circuit. If we power on, output will be on. Now you can see this is square pulse, 1 kilohertz frequency and 0.18 amplitude, 0.18 volt, and this is triangle waveform. We give input square pulse and get output triangle pulse. So the circuit is working. Now the table. You can see the table, input signal, frequency and amplitude of input signal. You can measure from the function generator. So frequency is 1 kilohertz and amplitude is 0.18 volt. Then output signal you can measure from CRO. This is 1 kilohertz signal and amplitude is 5 volt for one knob. So if we consider how many position from channel 1 full side, then small division 0.8, that is 1.8 into 5 volt, that means 9 volt. So we give 0.18 volt and we take the output as 9 volt. So voltage gain is amplitude of output signal by amplitude of input signal, that is 9 by 0.8. What will be the measurement? You can calculate. Thank you very much.